Hello, we are going to learn how to isolate variables, but before we do that, we want to make sure we get the variables on one side of the equal sign and then the numbers on the other side of the equal sign. And what am I talking about when I say that? Well, this is a term that has a coefficient and a variable, and its like term is this 2x. The only way I can solve for x is if I get them both on the same side. So today we talked about moving the furniture around a little bit, and I thought the best way to do this is to kind of color code this the first few classes so that we can get a good visual on how to do this. And we have two rooms here. I have the game room where we only have purple things. Notice those are the variables. And we have the toy room, which was named by my class yesterday. Thank you, class. And we notice that our green things are going to be our toys, quote unquote toys. Now, the best way to do this is pick a side for your variables. Well, it's already picked for us because I know I want my variables on the left-hand side of the equal side in this room, in the game room. So what do? I look in the other room. I look on the other side of the equal sign and I say, is there anything in here that doesn't belong here? Well, it's toys. Only toys can be in here. This does not belong. So I am going to use inverse operations to remove it from this side. So I am going to do minus 2x because this is a plus 2x. We don't have to write a plus sign. It is a plus 2x and they cross out, but if I do that to this side, I have to do it to that side. We'll get to the math in a minute, the arithmetic. Okay, so I did that side. Do I have any other things over here that don't belong? Nope, looks good. I only have toys in the toy room. Now I'm going to look in the game room. Do I have any numbers in the game room that don't belong? Are there any toys in here? Oh, yeah, there is. I only want purple variables over here. So this does not belong. I need to get rid of it. How do I get rid of a minus 3? I use inverse operations. I'm going to add 3 to this side and add 3 to this side. And these cancel out. Remember, a minus 3 and a plus 3 cancel out. They give me 0 3s. I have nothing there. Alrighty, now we're going to go back and do the math. So I have 4 x's, take away 2 x's, leaves me with only 2 x's. And then I want to do 4 plus 3. That would give me 7. And I'm almost done with this problem. I have almost completely isolated my variable. And our first step was try to get all of the variables over here on the left and get all of our numbers so that we only have numbers on the right, and we did that. Voila, we have accomplished our goal.